Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of email marketing and automation using one of the most powerful tools out there, GetResponse. Before we get started, let's quickly talk about why email marketing is essential for businesses. With the ever-evolving digital landscape, connecting with your audience directly is crucial. And that's where GetResponse comes into play. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing platform that empowers businesses to build, nurture, and grow their customer base through email marketing, automation, and so much more. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make GetResponse stand out. First, we have an intuitive drag-and-drop email editor that allows you to create beautiful, professional-looking emails without any coding skills. See how easy it is to personalize your emails with dynamic content, add images, buttons, and even social sharing options. You can also leverage the pre-designed email templates available in GetResponse's extensive library for faster creation. Now, let's talk about automation. GetResponse simplifies your marketing efforts by allowing you to automate your campaigns. With the Visual Workflow Builder, you can set up personalized customer journeys, segment your audience, and send targeted messages based on their behavior and preferences. Just drag and drop the elements you need, define your triggers and actions, and let GetResponse take care of the rest. It's like having a marketing assistant working 24/7. But that's not all. GetResponse goes beyond email marketing. It offers powerful landing page and form builders, so you can create stunning, conversion-optimized landing pages and capture leads effortlessly. Plus, GetResponse provides in-depth analytics and reporting tools, allowing you to track the performance of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategy. And here's the cherry on top. GetResponse seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, among others. This ensures a smooth workflow and maximizes your productivity. So, whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur looking to level up your email marketing game, GetResponse has got you covered. It's an all-in-one solution designed to simplify your marketing efforts and help you achieve your goals. If you want to learn more about GetResponse, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. And as always, don't hesitate to leave your questions and comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.